So iOS 12 Developer Beta 2 was released by Apple this week and there are tons of minor changes to talk about. What's up people, this is TechSav here and welcome back to my channel. Let's go!
Swag, bitch.
The iOS 12 Beta 2 came in for 582.6 MB on my iPhone 6 and the version number is 16A5308E. Now after updating to this beta, I lost some storage. Not much, about 13 MB. Now firstly, a minor change in the DND section. The text underneath the Do Not Disturb toggle is shortened now. It looks much cleaner and to the point. Next, we have minor tweaks in the icons of the share sheet. You know the window that pops up when you try to share a picture or video to social media? So that is the share sheet. So here you have the new look to the copy icon. There's a new create watch face icon which matches the Apple Watch face. The assign to contact and the print icon has also been tweaked a little bit. Also, I got this new splash screen for screen time. It gave me the option to continue or set up screen time as a parent. Now, speaking of screen time, there are quite a few changes in that section. Finally, now it will show screen time for all the devices which are connected to your iCloud account. Previously, it only showed for the device you're using. Now, inside there are changes too. Like, you get a new button beside the most used section and you can tap it to show categories of apps or single apps. And now you can also tap on individual apps to show the screen time for that app only. Previously, you couldn't tap any app for individual info. The settings for the voice memos app also got some new sections. Like now it has the location services options, the Siri search and results options and the background app refresh on off toggle. And also the permanently delete after button is renamed to clear deleted. Now the photos app also has a minor change. So here in the app, notice the media type sections. The new texts are much bigger than the previous version. Now you can clearly see the names of the folders and tap it with ease. Finally, let's talk about the performance of the device. The beta one was quite stabilized and smooth, but there were lags and stutters here and there. I don't feel quite a lot of difference in performance, but I think the app opening is a little bit smoother than before. The lock screen animation feels a little faster too. And there was a stutter when I unlocked the device previously. But now it's much smoother and stabilized. And the camera opening from the lock screen is quite smoother now. In the previous beta, the camera opened up really fast from the lock screen, but it lagged and stuttered quite a lot. But now the animation looks much more smooth than in the previous beta. Now in the cover sheet, when you tap manage in notifications, the buttons of the menu like deliver quietly and turn off, the texts are much bolder and the colors are much more vibrant. And in beta 1, the cross sign of the notifications was barely visible with this wallpaper as it blended right in. I submitted this to Apple through the feedback app and in this version of iOS that is fixed by Apple. The cross sign can clearly be seen now. Now, software review is never complete without getting Geekbench scores. So, I ran a CPU test in iOS 12 Developer Beta 1 and got a single core score of 1573 and a multi-core score of 2730. So, this was the highest that my iPhone 6 got on any developer software. But in Developer Beta 2, I got a score of 1594 single core and a 2748 multi-core score. This is the highest that my iPhone 6 got till now. So these were some of the minor changes in iOS 12 Dev Beta 2. If you are using this beta software, please comment down below your experiences or problems with the software. Check out my other videos on the channel and hit the subscribe button for more tech videos every week guys. Until next time then, peace out.